When the insurance company evaluates your claim, they're looking at your medical records, and not just for proof of your injury. They're also scouring your medical records to see if there's any pre-existing injury that could have attributed to the injury you suffered in the accident. But also, they're going to look at your medical records for the dollar amount, the cost of the ambulance carrying you from the accident to the hospital, any of the tests that were given to you at the hospital, like an MRI, an X-ray. They're looking at those bills too, because when they're evaluating your claim, they're looking at dollar amounts that are spent in the care of your injury. So that includes any ER visits, any ambulance, any PT records or treatments after the accident also. They review these reports, including any of your labs or imaging reports, trying to answer questions like, did the accident actually cause this injury? Or how serious is this injury? The insurance company is also looking to see if the accident actually caused the injuries that you're complaining about. That's really important evidence. Another thing they're looking at is to see how serious your injury was. We know the severity of your injury is going to affect not only the amount of your medical treatment in terms how many times you have to see the doctor, or how many doctors you have to see, or if you have to see a specialist, if you have to go for imaging. All of these things speak to the severity of your injury, and the insurance company is looking for that. Also, the insurance company is looking at your records to see if you're still treating with medical providers, and importantly, they are looking to see if this injury is going to have any lasting effects in your life. Those things are important when evaluating a case because it speaks to the dollar amount in which you will receive, not only to cover the cost of the bills for your treatment. The insurance company uses the proof of your medical records and your cost of treatment to help determine the severity of your injury, and the severity of your injury will reflect in the settlement you receive from the insurance company. The medical records are very important evidence, and they tell your story without you having to tell it.